To set up Zelle with TD Bank, start by ensuring you have a TD Bank account and the TD Bank mobile banking app. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and log in to your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Send Money with Zelle section, usually found under the Transfers tab. If you do not see this option, you may need to enroll in the Zelle service first. To do this, go to the TD Bank website, click on the Send Money with Zelle link, and follow the prompts to enroll. After enrolling, return to the TD Bank mobile app and select Send Money with Zelle. You will be asked to accept the terms and conditions. Then you can start using the service. To send money, enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number, the amount you want to send, and add a memo if needed. To receive money, ensure your email address or mobile phone number is registered with Zelle. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification, and the funds will be deposited directly into your TD Bank account. It is essential to only send money to people you trust, as transactions using Zelle are typically irrevocable. Also, be aware of any transfer limits and fees associated with using the service. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily set up and use Zelle with TD Bank for fast and convenient person-to-person payments.